Welcome to my channel. Set up Netgear N300 Wi-Fi range extender via WPS button. 1. Power on the extender. Plug the N300 into a power outlet near your router and wait for the power LED to stabilize. 2. Locate the WPS button on the extender. Find the button, usually on the front or side of the extender. 3. Press the WPS button on the extender. Hold the button for 2 to 3 seconds until the WPS LED starts blinking. 4. Press the WPS button on the router. Within 2 minutes, press the router's WPS button to initiate the connection. 5. Wait for connection confirmation. The extender's WPS LED will turn solid green, indicating a successful connection. Six. Relocate the extender. Move the extender to a spot midway between your router and the Wi-Fi dead zone. 7. Check the extender LEDs. Ensure the signal strength indicator shows a strong connection in the new location. 8. Connect devices to the extender network. Use the same Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password as your main network. 9. Verify the connection. Test the Wi-Fi signal on your device in the extended area to ensure it's strong and reliable. 10. Access the admin page. If needed, log into the extender's web interface using its IP address for advanced settings. Thanks for watching.